Hey everybody. So if you're like most guys and you bought something from Tiffany Company, um, at least through the mail, it's going to come nicely wrapped like the picture right here. And you either have to trust that what you ordered is inside, or you're going to do like most of us guys anyway, is you're going to have to take the bow off and you're gonna open the box and you're gonna look inside and go, yeah, it's in there. And then it's like, okay, now what? Now I have to put this bow back on that was nicely put on when you got it. So I'm gonna show you how to put it back on. And the problem is gonna be too is that it's already cut. So, and obviously I have practice this a while, so this ends are fraying, but you're just gonna have to, it's gonna be a little bit harder to put it on. So what we want to do is you can see where the indentations are or the creasing is. That's where most likely all the knotting came from, so I'm going to put that in the middle. But the first thing I already forgot is you need to turn this 90 degrees and then find out where all the creases are. Put your finger there, and then on the other side go under and then back over the top. So now you've got on two sides. This part is on the bottom, but now we have to turn it 90 degrees. And to do that, you got to kind of fold it over like that. So hold that. Now we've changed the direction so that we can go to the other side of the box. And now, so we have the ribbon around all four sides of the box, and now is the bow part. Well, first thing you got to do is go underneath all of this stuff. So, and it doesn't have to be tight at this point, so I lift this up, put it under here, and the what you're trying to do is go opposite of this side. So go under all of that, and now that you're under it, you can tighten it up, and all four sides will tighten up. And you know, you'll straighten this out a little later, but make sure none of the sides are folded over, which they're not. So now we turn it back 90 degrees, so Tiffany Company is the right side up. And then to tie the bow, we're gonna take this side here, just lift up and pinch it with your thumb and finger. And then this will be the other side. You're gonna go across the front, which is counterintuitive to me, but that's what you do. So you keep pinching this, go across the front. Oi. And then there's going to be a space here where your finger is holding and where you crossed over. And that's what you need to push this tail through. And that's going to be the other side of the bow. And then we, like I said, since it's already cut, you can't just, you know, tighten it up and then snip this off. These are already cut. So you got to adjust a little bit to make sure this doesn't slide, the ends don't slide out. And now to tighten the center, on the left side here, you want to pull on the top, and on the right side, pull on the bottom. And that should tighten the center. Okay, and now get this arm down here. Pull it down to the bottom side and basically straighten out the bows. and it should look pretty darn close to what it came as, or how it was tied when you got it. So hopefully you'll be able to get this retied and make it look close to what it came as, and I think this looks pretty good, and your significant other will be thrilled with your purchase. Hopefully that's helpful. Thanks. Good luck, guys.